The trick is that you got to make it thick enough and far enough away from the fire that when you got a nice big roaring fire in here, you don't have drips of water from melting snow. Shelter's feeling nice and tidy, the bed's feeling better, I got more of a platform, got some firewood drying. I think it's time to eat some food. A friend of mine gave me these hot dogs. I think they're made out of caribou. Excited to try them out. That's a good hot dog. I got the heat reflecting off this side wall and the whole thing's just a better wind block.